Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna speak only English, but don't worry, I'm gonna translate everything I'm saying. First of all, learning English is not easy, but if you really want to improve your English, you're gonna do it, so don't give up on learning English. So first step is to set a language learning objectives, which means setting a goal to help you identify your ultimate reason for studying the language, which makes it easier to pinpoint the skills and the information you need to learn. So setting a goal is an essential to learn English. Secondly, make a study plan. This makes learning English more manageable. So when you focus on these smaller steps, learning the language doesn't look difficult. Using English immersion. Immersion is a useful learning strategy for language students. By constantly exposing yourself to English, you start organically think, speak, read, and write in English, and are more likely to remember new vocabulary and grammar because you learned it in a practical, meaningful way. You should always listen to anything and everything in English. Watching YouTube videos, TV shows, and movies in English can help you improve your English. Practice speaking English. You can always practice speaking English with your family members, friends, whoever you want. Practicing speaking English is so important because it helps you with your language barrier. Instead of watching your dramas or shows in Arabic subtitles, watch them in English subtitles. Try to use English more on a daily basis. Watch English podcasts or YouTube channels. You should actively take note of new vocabulary. And read everything you can get your hands on if it's in English. Try to speak more English with your friends and make English friends so they can help you with your English. You can always learn English through English courses if you can afford them. Just to clarify, I'm not an expert in English, but I just wanted to share some facts about learning English. Fun fact about me, I learned English all by myself. I never learned it through English courses. Just by watching everything in English, I learned it, so it wasn't that hard for me to learn English. And if you're curious about how I learned my English accent, just by training and talking, like I love talking, so I always talk in English whenever I have a chance. Don't be shy to speak in English, it's something you should be proud of. And if you have no one to talk to in English, just talk to yourself, it's fine. And that's it for today's video. Bye!